Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create bloom from the Winx Club in Dress to Impress. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it with this color for the first selection and this color for the next selection. And put on this ribbon and then make it this color and then make it glitter. And then you're going to put on this crown from the VIP room and you're going to do a little adjustment. You can position it like this, rotate and scale. Okay, and for the wings, this is from the VIP room and you're going to make it glitter and then you're going to make it this color. Okay, for this wings, you're going to make it light blue and dark blue. And for this wings, you're going to combine it this blue color with this one, and also this one. Okay, and then I'm going to move to this area. I'm going to select this top from the Valentine's update, and then I'm going to make it this blue color for the first selection and make it glitter. And for the second selection, I'm going to make it this pink color. Okay, and we're going to make it glitter. And then for the last selection, I'm going to make it pink as well. Oops, this pink. Alright, and then I'm going to move to the VIP room. Alright, and then we're going to put on this dress. Okay, for this dress, I'm going to make it blue for the first selection. And for the second selection, I'm going to make it blue. And the next one, I'm going to make it this pink color. And then I'm going to make it glitter for all the selections. Okay, done guys. And combine it with this this dress. Okay, combine it with this dress and then you're going to make it blue like this and you're going to make it glitter guys. Choose glittery. Okay, done. And then I'm going to put on this shoes and then I'm going to make it this blue color for all the selection. Okay, done guys, and then I'm going to combine it with this shoes. I'm going to choose only shoes and then I'm going to make it blue. Done, and then I'm going to put on the gloves. Sorry, I'm going to go back to this area and then I'm going to put on this gloves and I'm going to make it this pink color. I'm going to make it glitter and I'm going to remove the fur. Okay, and this is for the final result guys. Alright, and that's all the way to create bloom from the Winx Club in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.